Years ago, I worked at this one place. They made baked potato soup. I couldn't believe how popular it was. Super easy, super simple. You gotta make this. It's worth it. This is basically preparing this just like you do your baked potato. So this is your meal. So you prepare it just the way you like to. It's been about 12 minutes, almost 13 minutes. Let's see if these are ready. So it's another cold and blustery day, so I'm inside. I decide, what should I make today? I go, oh, I'll make some baked potato soup. Years ago, I worked at this one place. They made baked potato soup. I couldn't believe how popular it was. Super easy, super simple. You gotta make this. It's worth it. There you go. So I've turned this off now, so I don't want to get too hot. I'm adding half and half. Half and half. Just enough to cover this. So it's about 2 cups, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons of my chicken stock. Dang, I like this chicken stock. So good. Doesn't work for all recipes, but it sure works for a lot of them. So look at this. I don't necessarily want this smooth for myself, but you could make it smooth, but it's too moist. So I'm going to add, with some extra cream, a couple tablespoons of flour. I'm going to season it and then bring this to a boil. We taste it. Gotta taste it. Nice. Very nice. Yep. With that, got to put in some butter, touch of garlic, salt, a little bit more pepper. I'll take this up to a nice little boil. Should thicken up real fine. Let's see how this tastes. Oh. My gosh, is that good. See how that's thickening up now? It's real nice. And I like the color, and I like the texture in my soup. If you want to, you can go ahead and peel your potatoes and use a puree machine if you wanted to, but to me, that's perfect. Look at this. Oh yeah, that is perfect soup. Look what we did here. We added in chives, a little bit more butter, some cheddar cheese, the bacon bits. Beautiful. Super easy, super simple. You gotta make this. It's worth it.